When it comes to office moving, Roadrunner Moving and Storage has you covered. By optimizing manpower, we minimize your downtime to get you and your employees back in the office as quickly as possible. Your assigned personal move consultant will work closely with you and formulate a custom plan to allow your office move to flow smoothly while providing you never lift a finger service. Additionally, Roadrunner is Office Moving Alliance certified, licensed in the state of Texas, and insured to make sure your property is taken care of properly and professionally. Changing office spaces or moving to home offices can be difficult tasks. However, Roadrunner offers recycling, disposal, and donation programs of your electronics, furniture, or other office equipment to aid in making your move as easy as possible. Roadrunner also offers installation for furniture systems, art, whiteboards, and IT systems by our trained professionals. Plus, storage options for unused office equipment are available in our 460,000 square foot storage facility with meticulously detailed inventory control systems. We also offer 24/7 live local emergency support to ensure you are taken care of day or night. Roadrunner offers the most affordable, professional, and efficient office moving services throughout the Houston area. Call or go online to get in contact with your personal move consultant and get your office move started today.